So I have a 2014 Explorer, boom, right there, the white one, and I have not gone up to the vehicle yet. I have not there it goes, you see it? I am not pressing the key fob, which is right here, and there it goes again, the lights are going. So I have a feeling that my battery is dead, and it took me a little while to figure this out. The car does not stay locked. I have not pressed the key fob, nor have I touched the driver door. There it goes again. And I will open the rear door because it does not take the key fob, and boom, so my car does not stay locked. So I will be replacing the battery on my key fob on the 2014 Explorer. So right now the car is turned on, and as you can hear, let's see if it does it again. That's not doing it. Oh, there it is. The car is unlocked. I will lock it. My hand's right here, away, and oh, there it is. It keeps on unlocking. It does not stay locked. I'll show you, I'm not touching it. And any moment it's gonna pop up. My hand, one hand's holding the phone, one hand's right here. Oh, come on, don't make a liar out of me. 3, 2, 1. Really? Oh, there it goes. So the car does not stay locked. So hopefully changing the battery will fix this issue. So I'm going to be replacing the battery on the 2014 Ford Explorer key fob, and I have the battery for the key fob Energizer 2032 is the battery size. Here's said battery size, and I'll be taking it apart. Come on, a little butter. There we go. Just stick the screwdriver in the little slot. Boom. There it is right there. And we're gonna pop that right out. Just like that. Put it back, the new one right in there. Let's see if it goes in there. There we go. And snap it right back in place. Voila. So hopefully that will solve our problem of the vehicle. And it is locked, and it is not unlocking. So I think that was the issue, was the battery. So simple fix.